Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Now in here we're looking for the power saving mode, or battery saver, whatever they're naming it. And if it's not visible, like it is not, well, definitely not visible for me, we will need to probably add it ourselves, and we can do that by clicking right here on this pencil. I just missed the pencil. Okay, there we go. And you can see right here we have the power saver and ultra power saver. So you know what, I'm gonna add both of them by just dragging them over here. So go back, and you should have access to it on one of the pages. So from here you can quickly enable power saving mode or ultra power saver mode. Now before I enable either one of those, I'm going to first hold the toggle, and this takes you to the settings. So in here we have things like, for instance, turn on automatically. So you can enable this and set it up so it automatically turns on. See, automatically turn on power save. Okay, so we can actually slide it right. Okay, no. For a moment I had a brain fart because I toggled it on and I couldn't move it. For some reason it can't be adjusted when it's enabled, so you need to disable it and then adjust the percentage. So this will define basically automatic turn on for power saver mode when the battery falls down below the specified percentage. So if, for instance, right now battery falls below 60%, like it said right now, it will automatically turn it on. And it will automatically turn off as well with this toggle. If you start charging the device and it goes above 90%, then it's automatically going to turn it off. So these are two automatic things. Now under the options for power saver mode, we have things like reduce refresh rate. So by enabling power saving mode and having this on, it will automatically reduce the refresh rate of the screen to 60 frames and restrict app from accessing network, which surprisingly is turned off by default. Interesting. This is option that on almost no other device, as far as I can tell, you can even toggle on or off. So it's kind of neat that you have the option right here. What this does is basically if you enable it and you enable your power saving mode, the device stops the applications from basically being able to connect to internet. So it disables virtually internet when you're not using the phone. And therefore applications that require it can't really give you notifications because they can't access internet. So this option might be kind of not wanted for people that do rely on notifications being delivered to them even when they're not using their device. So you might want to keep that off. But it's super nice that you actually have the option to toggle it on or off in here. Anyway, we can close this up, and whenever you want to use the power saving mode, just tap on the toggle. And I believe it's now on, right? Yep, it is. So it's right now enabled, and we can already, okay, I can kind of see this in the refresh rate. It's much worse. So that's normal power saving mode, but there's also this one. Enable ultra power saver to bring maximum battery to your phone. This mode will restrict the number of apps that start automatically and restricts the background activity for apps. With this mode on, whatever. Now we're just gonna tap on it because what the hell? Why was there music playing? Huh? That's kind of odd. I want to check if this happens again. Yep, it does. I have no clue why it's playing music. Never encountered this. But in any case, as you can see, when you enable the ultra power saver, it just looks like this. So it's a more extensive power saving mode, more aggressive one, which removes wallpapers, reduces brightness, screen timers, refresh rates, applications, basically on your home screen, along with the ones that are running in the background, and just prioritizes battery life. And it tells you right here that apparently this battery will last us 104 hours and 5 minutes. Now, I know it's barely visible. It's literally right under the day of the week. Maybe I can overexpose the image so to make it visible. Nope, damn it just timed out. And holy hell, that screen is nasty when exposing it. Let me just wipe it down. There we go. Now it's nice and pristine. So let's try that again. Ah, there we go. Now we can see it. So right here you can see 104 hours and 5 minutes. Now to leave it, we're just going to click right here. And OK. And there we go. So that mode will primarily be used for most likely emergency purposes, if you really can't charge your phone but you want it to still be on. So you could boot it into or turn on the ultra power saver. This will get you some additional life. And whenever you're done with either one of those, as you seen, to exit the ultra one, you have to click on that exit button. But for the normal power saver mode, which is still enabled, you'll click on the toggle in here and this will disable it. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.